Hey, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sarita, your AI PM and professor. If you're a product manager, product owner, or on a cross-functional team, documentation is probably eating away your life. From PRDs to user stories, acceptance criteria, it just never ends. Today, I'm showing you my exact AI workflow to knock this out fast without sacrificing quality. For this video, I'm going to use Claude AI. If you haven't already signed up for a free account, go ahead and click the link below this video and sign up for an account. The free account gives you roughly 15 to 40 messages per 5 hours, which works out to be around 30 to 100 messages per day, depending on the conversation length. And the only downside I would say to the free account is that once you hit your message limit, you will have to wait another 5 hours to start again. All right, let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is you want to assign a role in the prompt. And what this does is it sets the right level of expertise and vocabulary. It also anchors the tone and perspective. It reduces ambiguity. And essentially, you are activating a cluster of those learned pattern when you assign the role. For this prompt example, I added a senior product manager with 10 years of experience in real estate. So the full prompt reads, you are a senior product manager with 10 years of experience in real estate. I will give you raw notes from a stakeholder meeting, and you will help me build a structured PRD. So once you get your response from Claude, you can go ahead and paste those raw notes in, and you will notice Claude response, I'm ready to help you transform your raw stakeholders meeting into a structured PRD document. Now, the best part about this and what I love about Claude is that it will literally tells you the different section of the PRD document, even whatever document you're trying to create. So then go ahead and paste your raw notes from your meeting into the prompt and then just hit enter on your keyboard. The other thing I would say about this is even if you have written notes, you can also take a screenshot of those written notes and upload them either to your computer, or you can just upload them from your phone into the Claude app and it will create the document based on your note. And yes, it does understand Scribble because I have done this multiple times and it has worked successfully. So try it out with your written notes as well. And look, now we have our PRD diagram ready in less than 3 minutes. Fully sectioned and also a full summary of the document. Now, this is just the beginning. What I want to say is that, of course, you are using AI, but you must also read the document. You can take 3 minutes to create this document and another 10 to 15 minutes just reading each section, ensuring that it aligns with what you asked Claude to do, as well as what the meeting was about, as well as aligning with the project that you are working with. And also just look for any grammatical errors, look for any type of misalignment between features and functions that you may have missed. And, sometimes Claude do suggest features. Go over those as well. I'm telling you, you can't go wrong, but as usual, it's AI. So make sure you reread and also just recheck and ensure that everything in the document aligns with the true project and the goal and the vision of the project. So let's look at what you get in 3 minutes. So this PRD document that we created in 3 minutes tops covers the executive summary of the product, the problem statement, the opportunity, goals, and success metrics. Then you have the scope, very important. Then you have the user persona, help to build the product and define the features. And then you have the functional requirements, UI requirements. You have the non-functional requirements. That could be performance, availability. Then you have data compliance, because this is a chatbot app, and if it's an international app, then you would need to ensure GDPR, CCPA, and privacy policy. All those things are updated. Then you have edge cases and handling matrix. Then you have a section for use cases as well. Very important for engineering build. Risk and mitigation, number 10. And then number 11, you have open-ended questions and dependency for the team. You will also notice that I went back and I asked Claude, what are some of the edge cases that we can add to this PRD document? And it literally just spits out a number of suggestions. And I told it also to update it to the document, which it did. And even though I mentioned risk and mitigation before, these edge cases are so important anyways. But it's just to always go back and make sure that there are no loopholes and that you've covered every track of your PRD document. And if you're a product manager, you know this as well, that, this is very crucial, because you don't want in the middle of your build that now new edge cases are coming up when you could have just have Claude do some research to figure out, what are some of the things that I should expect, or some of the things that you really can't control because it's a new app and you're building it. You don't know what's going to happen, right? And not just that, any unusual scenario that can occur at the boundary of any normal system behavior can still affect how the product functions. So it's always good to just research and ask upfront, what I like to term it as is tell Claude to be the devil's advocate and tell me what are the edge cases that could possibly happen during this product build. Okay, moving on to document type. So for this example, I did not tell Claude what document type to create the PRD in, but for most of you who know, PRD is usually in the format of a Word doc. And once it's done, you can easily just hit download and just open the file, and you'll see on the screen that I opened it in a Word doc, and it looked the same. The format is the same, just as the example in the Claude AI itself. And also, this can be open in Google Docs as well. So the document type I did not specify, but as a product manager, PRDs are mostly in Word. The format, again, it can be open in a Microsoft Word or Google Docs. And there you have it. You have your full PRD document ready for review and corrections. And yeah, so there you have it. And this wraps up my demo. I hope you enjoy it. Thank you for watching. Remember to like, subscribe, and follow for more product management and project manager tips.